Let's talk about scripting and automation, because in cybersecurity, doing things once is smart, but making a script do it 1,000 times perfectly is genius. Automation is how we use code to handle repetitive security and IT tasks quickly, consistently, and without getting tired, distracted, or accidentally clicking the wrong button at 2 a.m.
Automated scripts are commonly used for user provisioning, making sure new employees get the right accounts and access the moment they are on board, and for resource provisioning, such as spinning up servers, storage, and network resources in a consistent way. On the exam, this appears when a scenario describes creating accounts or systems quickly and uniformly, and the correct concept is automation for provisioning because it ensures speed and consistency instead of manual setup. Automation can enforce guardrails by automatically applying and checking security settings so systems stay within approved configurations, and it can manage security groups so users are placed into the correct access groups based on their roles. A typical CompTIA scenario might describe preventing configuration drift or automatically correcting insecure settings, which points to scripts enforcing baselines and guardrails. Scripts can automate ticket creation and escalation so incidents are logged, tracked, and routed to the right teams. And they can enable or disable services and access based on schedules or events, such as locking accounts after termination. On the exam, when access is automatically removed or incidents are automatically escalated, the correct concept is automated workflows improving response time. Automation is also critical for continuous integration and testing, where builds, updates, and security tests run automatically, and for integrations using APIs so different systems can communicate and share data securely. In a scenario where applications exchange information without human intervention, the correct idea is automation through scripting and API integration. Automation supports patching, backups, compliance monitoring, data migration, incident response actions, capacity planning, self-service portals, configuration enforcement, environment replication, log analysis, and change management. When CompTIA describes systems automatically isolating infected machines, running backups, or scaling resources during high demand, the correct concept is orchestration and automated security operations. The benefits of automation include efficiency and time savings, consistent security baselines, standard configurations, secure scaling, faster reaction times, reduced human error, better employee retention by removing repetitive tasks, and acting as a workforce multiplier so small teams can protect large environments. On the exam, when a question mentions faster deployment, fewer mistakes, or handling growth securely, the answer usually points to automation improving consistency and scalability. Automation also enforces policies, improves accuracy, reduces costs, supports auditing, enables scheduled tasks, improves collaboration with standardized workflows, and helps organizations adapt quickly to change. A CompTIA-style scenario might describe the need for consistent configurations across hundreds of systems, and the correct solution is automated enforcement of baselines. There are important considerations with automation, including complexity, cost, single points of failure, technical debt, and ongoing supportability. Overly complex scripts are hard to maintain, automation can fail if there is no redundancy, poor documentation creates technical debt, and scripts must be updated as systems change. On the exam, when a scenario warns about relying on one script with no backup or outdated automation braking systems, the correct concern is single point of failure and lack of ongoing support. The key takeaway is that scripting and automation improve security by enforcing consistency, speeding up response, reducing human error, and allowing secure scaling. And if this helped you understand today's topic, consider liking and subscribing for more cybersecurity lessons like this.